Yo, what is cracking, gang? You saw the title, How to Brainwash Potential Clients to Buy Your Services. Sounds wild, right? But before you guys click away, let me break it down for y'all. This ain't some sketchy mind control. This is about leveraging marketing psychology to dominate your industry. Let's get right into it. The power of repetition, how influence works. Now let's take a step back into history. Hitler in World War II. You guys ever wonder how one man brainwashed an entire country into thinking they could take over the world? It wasn't magic, it was the power of repetition. See, when Hitler was rising to power, he flooded Germany with his message. Radio broadcast 24/7 repeating Germany must rise. He had posters on every street corner pushing the same narrative, people waking up and falling asleep to hearing the same message. Now, whether they liked it or not, their subconscious mind absorbed that message until it became their reality. That's how repetition works. And here's the kicker, it's not just history. Modern businesses do this to this day. You guys ever wonder why you see the same commercial 10 times a day? That's called brand awareness. The more you see something, the more you're likely to trust it and buy it. Alright, let's take this back to lawn care and junk removal. Here's exactly how I use the same principle to make my business the go-to service in my area. Step 1. Target the right neighborhoods. I don't just throw ads randomly, I strategically pick high-paying areas. Here's a pro tip, go to USPS.com/EDDM, every door direct mail, and you can look up the zip codes to find out the average household income in that area. Why does that matter? Because I want to target the neighborhoods that can afford my services. No point in marketing where people don't have the budget for my premium lawn care or junk removal services. Step 2. Multi-layered marketing attack. This is where the real brainwashing begins, because instead of running one ad and hoping for the best, I hit them from every angle so they can't ignore me, which is flyers in every home. I personally hit 1,000 homes in my target area. Above that, I do Facebook ads pumping 24/7 so they keep seeing my business on their phone. And the third, below, the yard signs at every entry and exit of the neighborhood. They can't leave home without seeing my brand. The result, whether they need my service today, next week, or next month, I'm the first business they think of. Why this works? This is the subconscious effect. Even if they don't book me right away, my brand stays in their mind. They saw my flyer, they scrolled past my Facebook ad, maybe even liked it and followed. They drove past my yard sign every single day. And when the time comes where they'll actually need my lawn care or junk removal services, who do you think they're calling first? You. So how can you guys use this? Alright, listen guys, this isn't luck. It's really just a strategic marketing system that big businesses use every single day. I just applied it to my lawn care and junk removal business. Here's how you guys can do it too. Now, it all does depend on your budgeting. The more marketing budget you have for this, the more likely you are to convert these sales. So let's summarize again. Find high-paying neighborhoods. Go to USPS EDDM tool to find the correct neighborhood for you. Hit them with flyers, Facebook ads, and yard signs consistently. Repeat the process and dominate your market. What do you guys think? Would you guys try this method? I mean, it worked for me, but drop a comment down below if you would. If you found this valuable, hit that like and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys at the next one. Stay grinding and stay winning. Peace.